My boss came to me and said, today you have to focus on this. Of the entire list of the staff, I want you to make their email ID in this format. First name dot last name @ dubaielectronics.ae. I know it's going to take a lot of time, so please focus and finish before the noon. I told him let me try, but I know it can be finished in less than 1 minute. Let me show you how I have done this less than 1 minute. First thing which you need to do is write the first name, Ayaan, then dot Khan @ Dubai Electronics is the domain name. So I have written the first name here and I added the dot, I added the second name and added @ and added the domain name. Then I want to add the AE. Press enter. So I have only written the first email ID of the staff. Now I'll show you the magic of Excel, where it will create the entire list by themselves automatically. So I have a list of 100 staffs, so everything will be created automatically. So for that, what you need to do is I need to select the next cell, then press Ctrl E. Ta-da! You can see the entire list has been created with the format which we have prescribed. For example, let's take this sample Khalid Malik. So first name is Khalid dot Malik @ dubaielectronics.ae. You'd have noticed in this list the first letter is capital letter and in the first name and the second and the last name. But when I typed the name, I wrote the first letter as the small letter and all the letters as the small letter. So it automatically captured the format which we have defined initially here in the Ayaan Khan's email ID. And it picked up all the email ID and filled up the entire list. Isn't that cool? I hope this video will be useful in your office life. If yes, please do like this video. Please share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.